Fadal Engineering's 220,000 square foot facility in Chatsworth, California is where the corporation's manufacturing and technical support are based. This expanded facility has enabled Fadal to meet the ever-increasing demand for its world-class vertical machining centers. Over 10,000 machines in use worldwide attest to Fadal's unsurpassed reputation for product superiority, service, and training. Fadal's customers are backed by a worldwide distribution network to provide information, training, service, and parts. Whether you're machining steel, aluminum, exotic metals, plastics, or even wood, Fadal VMCs will meet your needs. Fadal builds machine tools that are used in manufacturing processes throughout the world, from guitar makers to aerospace job shops, from mold makers to high-production automotive parts manufacturers. No other vertical machining center removes more metal for less money than Fadal's full line of VMCs. To show how Fadal VMCs can fulfill your needs, let's take a look at how they are constructed, their standard features and benefits, the options available, and the variety of VMCs offered. A solid, rigidly constructed Fadal VMC starts with heavy-walled meionite cast iron for the base and column. The integrated boxways are flame-hardened and ground for added strength and durability. The next step in the production process is to assemble the column and base. Quality control standards are strict throughout every step of the manufacturing process. Fadal's rigid standards in electronic and safety designs have allowed their VMCs to be UL listed and have CE and many other approvals directly from the factory floor. Thick and durable 12-gauge sheet metal is used in our full enclosures. Lexan in our large front doors offers a clear view and easy access to the protected area. Every ball screw is surveyed after each machine is assembled to ensure plus or minus 2/10 of an inch accuracy and plus or minus 1/10 of an inch repeatability. After final assembly, every Fadal VMC is run through an extensive inspection process. More than 200 items are checked in the procedure. Fadal's vertical machining centers have a long list of standard features. The CNC 88HS, state-of-the-art control, is designed and manufactured by Fadal. The 88HS control has more built-in features than any unit on the market today. The 88HS outperforms its competition by using 6 parallel processors to process up to 1,000 blocks of code per second. High-speed DNC with X-modem protocol allows you to transmit data up to 38,400 baud. A highly desired feature, conversational program creation, is standard on all CNC 88HS controls. It uses geometric and trigonometric functions to directly insert lines into a program. In a single line of programming, the control will engrave numbers and letters. This can be done in standard or stencil fonts. Automatic serialization is also a standard feature of our engraving mode. Another unique and standard feature on the 88HS is our clock display. Access this data either from the screen or by using our macro language. Our macro language, which is a subset of BASIC, is a powerful way to program when working with probes and formulas. For high-speed cutting of mold and die surfaces, we have 2 codes to handle severe directional changes. These codes greatly enhance the surface integrity of the part. 1 line, 2 codes, that's all it takes. With our real-time background editor, the program running, as well as others in memory, can be edited. The 88HS also includes menu diagnostics used by maintenance personnel to quickly diagnose the system. With our tool life management system, the operator can be prompted to change a tool by either time of usage or by the number of times the tool was used. After displaying the program in graphics mode, the operator can dry run the program using a combination of our single step and dry run modes. Our durable bidirectional tool changer offers random selection to each of its 21 stations. An air blast keeps each tool and the spindle clean during changes. An important feature on every premium line vertical machining center is our 15 horsepower motor with an automatic high-low spindle drive. This dual-range spindle drive delivers a torque advantage in both the high and low RPM range. This provides the versatility needed when cutting a variety of materials. Our patented locking drawbar maintains a solid hold on the tool holder, especially during heavy cuts. Fadal has more 10,000 RPM spindles operating than any other machine tool manufacturer. Our positive displacement lubrication system ensures properly metered oil to our rigid boxways. Our big 5-inch custom designed servo motors deliver 700 inches per minute rapid traverse and from 0.01 to 375 inches per minute contouring rates. This high-gain servo system tracks tool paths more precisely than other low-gain systems, and the liquid thermal control system combats thermal expansion. Our custom-built 190 to 510 volt transformer facilitates quick setup for any voltage in this range. Each premium line machine comes pre-wired for 4th axis. Quick setup time describes Fadal's CNC operation. Menus prompt the operator through the process of establishing tool and fixture offsets. 99 length and diameter offsets and 48 XYZ AB offsets can be stored. One press of a button will store any of the desired positions into the data tables. These are some of the options available for your VMC. Eliminate the need to purchase tapping heads with our rigid tapping option. This option allows taps to be held in a rigid holder. The control will follow the lead of the tap, which virtually eliminates tap distortion and increases the life of the tap. The Renishaw MP11 probe allows the CNC to digitize parts for duplication. The MP12 probe, with its infrared interface, can be incorporated into a parts program. Here we show how the probe can pick up a corner, establish a fixture home, and account for the angle of the part. The Renishaw TS27 probe, mounted on the table, can check for broken tools, establish tool diameters, and determine tool length offsets. Fadal offers 4th and 5th axis options. Both the 4th and 5th axes can move simultaneously with the X, Y, and Z axes. An air brake is standard on each of our models with a hydraulic brake for added braking power available as an option. A highly praised option offered for the VMC 4020 is the automatic pallet changer. Couple this with the Hydro Sweep system for a winning pair. The Hydro Sweep eliminates the need for augers and belts to remove chips from the chip guard. Reduce chip-to-chip time with the Fadal Servo Turret. During unattended operations, 450 programmable coolant positions are possible with the Fadal Servo Coolant Unit. Once again, Fadal is the innovation leader by introducing our 32 MP pendant option. The 32 MP pendant marries our CNC 88HS control with a 32-bit DOS platform. 3 expansion slots are available for networking. DNC and program transmission is accomplished through a special internal port. The DOS platform and the CNC run independently, allowing the operator to work on the 32 MP while the machine is running. The 32 MP starter kit includes the following software packages: the CNC Visualizer, the Fadal Emulator, the CNC Memory Manager, Binary Compression Software, and DNC software. The Visualizer software is an easy-to-use graphic interface CAM package. Help balloons, prompting menus, and the extent that graphics are used on the CAM system makes the system easy to use with minimal training. This new concept is quickly becoming a standard for shop floor programming systems. 3D views can be rotated and zoomed to enable the programmer to visualize the part before the program is sent to the machine. Here are some additional options available: extended column, 15,000 RPM spindle, 5th axis pre-wire, expanded memory, general purpose interface, high torque for the 2216, 3016, and 4020, coolant through spindle, glass scales, remote manual pulse generator, 30-station tool changer. Here's our line of premium machines: the VMC 2216 with 22 by 16 inches table travel and a spindle with 15 peak horsepower. The VMC 3016 has 30 by 16 inches table travel and a spindle with 15 peak horsepower. The VMC 4020 and 4020 high torque machines each have a 40 by 20 inch table travel. The 4020 comes with a 15 peak horsepower spindle, and the 4020 high torque has a 22.5 peak horsepower spindle. 2 other Fadal VMC favorites, the 6030 and the 8030, are equipped with a standard 22.5 peak horsepower spindle. In addition to our premium boxway models, Fadal offers linear weigh machines, the VMC 5, 10, and 15. These machines have 15 peak horsepower spindle motors with infinitely variable speeds from 150 to 7,500 RPM. The table travel on these models is 20 by 16 inches. Our XT version of the models has table travel of 30 by 16 inches. Here is the Fadal VMC 5, our lowest price CNC machine. The VMC 10 offers the choice of either the rugged sheet metal enclosure or the 21-station tool changer. The VMC 15 is Fadal's most popular linear weigh machine. It offers an excellent price-performance value. It comes equipped with the Fadal automatic tool changer and a sheet metal enclosure. Fadal vertical machining centers are designed and built to give you maximum performance. Every element meets world-class standards of quality, productivity, and reliability. Contact your area distributor or the factory for a demonstration. We will be pleased to assist you in determining which Fadal vertical machining center best meets your specific requirements. And remember, no other vertical machining center removes more metal for less money than Fadal's full line of VMCs.